Okay, after setting the tanks and after setting the working area for the transporters, now we just need to make a recipe for the product we want to run through the line. So we will go into the recipe editor, and in the recipe editor you just have to put in the tank or processes or positions that you want to pass. Um, in the first row here called process, you could make it you would start in position 2, which is the load unload, then go to 13, which is a buffer, and then maybe to, I don't know what it could be, maybe 40, something like this. So you just put in which one you want to go into. You set the time, maybe 5 seconds. In the next columns, you can set something about priority, how important it is to move it. And you can set in the next column free, how many free tanks you want ahead or forward before you move. You can set the drip time and you can set the power for the A and B side. The last column is the function column, and in the function column you can put in these functions to calculate, to control volt instead of amps, to make more dips, that could be for rinse, to tell the system which, if this is a load or an unload situation, if you want to stay in the same position but maybe do different power or reverse power or something. And this pole reverse is for, in fact, for reversing the power. Okay, or you could just take a recipe already done and load it. Here we have the first recipe I have made, the test recipe. All times are just 1 second, just to fast run through the line. And I set all priorities as 5, which is the lowest. Yeah, I think we will take this recipe. So go to the home screen and I will carry on from there.